Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my SecondSplash review video. I'd like to share with you some proof that some more membership commissions have come in. But more importantly, this is a total now of $20.28. But more importantly in this video, I want to show you how you can earn these commissions as a free member, and these are monthly recurring commissions. And a bit later on, I'm going to show you the bonus income. So this is not the only income stream you can earn with SecondSplash. And I'm also going to show you the free done-for-you tools and resources that we give you as a team to help you promote SecondSplash and earn multiple recurring income streams, even as a free member. So what you'll see here is when you get a membership, you get a notification. This one came in 11 hours ago. You get a membership notification that says you've got money and it's a new subscription. And they just give you some little bit of information here, a little check. Now let me take you into the back office of SecondSplash and just show you how this works. So first of all, you can promote and give away viral passive traffic as a product. And one of the reasons this works so well is because everyone needs traffic and everyone needs passive traffic and automated traffic, and that's how the Splash system works. I've done other videos on that, but just briefly, you'll see here on my Splash pages here, I'm getting 17 clicks, 16 clicks. So I'm getting automated traffic here. I'm getting 5 clicks here. So that's just the traffic aspect, which when you look at our free funnel, you just get more information on that. But today I want to focus a little bit on how you can earn some income with SecondSplash as well, even as a free member. So you'll see so far I've referred 19 members. And when I go on to here, commission, then there is an upgrade option where you can upgrade to earn more higher commissions as a pro member. Now, if you are a free member, you will earn 25% monthly recurring commissions. There's more benefits to going pro, but it's not compulsory. And then if you're a pro member like I am, then you'll earn 50% recurring commission. So if I go on here, click to view, you'll see the commissions here. So my first commission came in on the 11th of the 11th. So that was last month on the 11th of November. And then this one just came in today on the 3rd of the 12th. Now, as long as these members remain members, then paying members, then these will be monthly recurring commissions. So that'll be a total of $20.28 currently. But the more you promote, then the more monthly recurring commissions you can earn. So let's go back onto the stats dashboard and let's just show you now what we call the bonus income. Now the bonus income is a one-time offer. It's a $19 payment to join Easy Cash for Ads. If you're already an Easy Cash for Ads member, then you can join SecondSplash for free, and then you can put your Easy Cash for Ads username into here, and then when you promote SecondSplash, then your SecondSplash referrals can join Easy Cash for Ads through your referral link. So this is where the bonus income aspect comes from. Now, Easy Cash for Ads, if I go into my Easy Cash for Ads back office, I've been promoting Easy Cash for Ads for just over a year now. If I go into view my commissions and minimize this table a little bit, you'll see that I've earned $700 with Easy Cash for Ads, and I've earned commissions every single month now for 17 months in a row. So I've done lots of other videos on my channel about Easy Cash for Ads. If you want to go onto my channel and you look at these videos here, 100% commissions, 17 months in a row. and $700 into profit, you'll see that Easy Cash for Ads is a good converting program, and you get autopilot buyers traffic with that program. So what you can do is you can join Easy Cash for Ads and you can earn a bonus income, and a lot of this income here is passive. All right, so the way the compensation plan works for Easy Cash for Ads, out of this $700, I think about $300 of it has been automated and passive. So it's another passive income stream on top of the one that you're going to get with SecondSplash, with this passive income stream. But again, joining Easy Cash for Ads is not compulsory. It's a bonus income. But by promoting SecondSplash, then you can still earn these monthly recurring payments even if you don't join Easy Cash for Ads. Now, to explain, if I maybe gone a bit sort of from one page to another and one income stream to another, and I've gone a bit giving you too much information today, all you do is click the link in the description, join our team, and click on here on how it all works. And everything is explained in these tabs here. So you can join SecondSplash for free. You can come down these tabs here and go into how all this works, and it explains the splash pages, the referral system, the link booster, commissions, bonus income. Everything's explained in here on how everything works. So if you want to join our team, there'll be a link in the description where you join our team through this page here. Now, if you join our team, we're going to give you we're going to give you a lead capture page exactly the same as this one here. And we're going to give you a done for you funnel to promote SecondSplash. And we use the Leads Leap tools. So we give you all the share codes to create the lead capture pages, to create the thank you pages. We've got all the follow-up pages, follow-up messages. So again, if you're brand new and this seems like a lot of information, don't get too overwhelmed, because there's video tutorials here that explain step by step how all this works. But again, Leads Leap is another income stream as a free member, monthly recurring income stream. So there's quite a lot going on here. There's SecondSplash, there's Easy Cash for Ads, there's monthly recurring income, there's funnels, there's Leads Leap, there's tools, there's training, there's quite a lot going on. So don't get overwhelmed. The best thing to do is just to click this link in the description, join SecondSplash as a free member, go into your SecondSplash account, and just go down these tabs here and take your time and have a look through all the information that's here. That's here in this menu down here. So it's quite a lot of information when you first join, especially if you're brand new. But just take your time, and if you've got any questions, then leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. So I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you want to see more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. And everything I've covered today is here. Free to join, viral passive traffic, multiple income stream done for you funnel, free tools, resources and training, and also my one-to-one mentoring and support. So what I'll do is I'll put my email address in the description, and then you can contact me by email if you want to contact me there, if you want to be mentored by me one-to-one. Any questions, leave those in the comments. Just join SecondSplash. It is free. It's a great program. You can start to get viral passive traffic to any offer that you're promoting now, or to any offer that you're going to be promoting in the future. So even if you just join SecondSplash just for the viral passive traffic, it's really well worth your while to do that. And then you can also promote it even as a free member and start to earn some monthly recurring commissions if any of your referrals upgrade. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.